Good morning, this is Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Market doesn't open up for another 15 minutes, but potential at some more pre-market trading. I was goofing around. It's not the right word because that's actually a really bad word, but just kind of testing the market. So here I bought at 26 and just sold 5 cents quicker for a $25 move. And now it's up at 27. WATT had a wild move yesterday. You can see this chart was from yesterday's action, but it was kind of just not doing much. Then all of a sudden it came to life and literally spent basically the entire afternoon going up, up, and up. And now it is once again gapping up. So should be some good solid opportunities on the open. Only bad part is my broker Lightspeed doesn't have any shares to short, so I'm going to be kind of handcuffed in the sense I have to go long. But we'll see what happens with it, including I may, like I said, try to do some more pre-market trading. Have an order out right now to buy at 24, but that's not looking like it's got any chance of being filled. So I will keep you updated if it looks like I do try to hop in pre-market, but that is the current plan. You're going to be watching WATT out of the opening gates. All right, have an order to buy at 27.45 now. I've been watching this one trade, and just my introductory order. I'd like to get more than 500 shares, but looking like I'd have a good chance at a quick $50, but I'd like to make more than 50, but we'll see what happens with it. But step one, got to get down and fill me at 27.45. So we'll see if that can fill me or not. I was just going to go ahead and delete that $26 or $24 one out of there. So we'll see what happens. I will keep you updated and do my best to capture the entry point. But with these pre-market ones, they can move pretty quick, but I'll do my best. All right, I missed that, but unfortunately, I only got 395 shares of what I wanted. So just got those out at 28.15. I turned my head for just a quick second. So just to reiterate, I wanted 500 at 28.05. I only got 395, and then I turned around and sold them for 28.15. Now looking to try to pick up some of these down here at 27.45. So we'll see if I can get a pullback enough to go all the way down there. Yeah, getting a little bit of a pullback here. Why isn't this chart moving over here? That's because this is all pre-market, and that this chart, the way I have it set up, doesn't do pre-market. But remember, I am looking at other things on the screen than what you can see. I have multiple monitors. So there we go, getting a bit of a pullback there. Let's see if it can move down to 27.45. I promise I'm going to watch it like a hawk now. And I was actually putting my watch list in the chat rooms, which is why I wasn't quite paying attention. But that is the main focus right now, and like I said, I'm going to watch it like a hawk, because if it looks like I'm going to get filled, I'm going to capture this one on video. All right, we're getting some movement down. I actually changed my order to 27.35 at this point in time. So we'll see if it can move down some more. Kind of a tricky one. It moves quick, then it stops and pauses, and then it moves quick, and then it'll kind of stop and pause. So from a video perspective, I'm doing my best here, but I don't want the video to be 10 minutes long and the market hasn't even opened up yet. We still have 7 minutes before the market officially opens. So let's see if we can get a plunge down here. There we go. Key break will be that 27.50. So let's see if it can break down through 27.50 or not. Okay, there we are, knocking on the door. Okay, it's down through. Looking for 27.35 now for my first entry point. And it just stopped. Slightly below, I think 37 was as low as it went. So I'm going to go down to 27.05 now. See if it wants to pull back there. If not, then I'll just wait for the market to open and trade it from that point of view. So I'm going to go ahead and pause. Got close, but close isn't good enough in the world of trading. And the market is open. Getting a bit of a pullback here. In fact, I'm going to go for some shares at 27.75 if this pullback wants to continue. First step in that's going to be getting down through 28, which it did right there. Perfect. Excellent. Got my initial entry there at 27.75. We'll look to get out at 90 or build a bigger position. Well, just let me out at 90. So let's go 27.55 if this wants to continue to pull back. So let's see if I can get those again. New process starting there at 27.55. First step though, just getting back down below 27. So we'll see if it can pull down there or not. I will keep you updated. Well, now it's... Wow, that was fast. Oh, no. Okay, it's back. It's over 29 now. I had to do a double take there. So this thing is cruising. And in fact, at this momentum level, I think this thing is headed above 30. So I'm going to go ahead and just try to sell right up there at 30. Because I think it's going to go hit there at least at minimum. So let's see if we can get up to the $30 mark or not. So let's also do 28.75 if it wants to pull back there. And nope, decided to just get me out there at 30, and now I look stupid. But like I said, I figured high likelihood it would at least test 30. Would it break and keep on moving? I wasn't sure on that. That's why I needed to get out. Really wish there were shares to short. Let me get this alerted in the chat room. Now I'm definitely not willing to buy up here at 31. At that point, that is flat out chasing, and definitely do not want to chase. Let's see. And remember, I am looking at other things on the chart. 28.75 would definitely be willing to buy there, just double checking. So there we go. So I don't know, maybe I'm getting a little too greedy wanting an entry point down at 28.75, but like I said, I'm not going to chase. I want the price to come down to me, so we'll see if it can get break down there through first 29.50. That'll be the key level, and then after that 29, and then potentially 28.75 may come into play. But that is the current status. So made a couple quick trades out of the gate. You caught one in the pre-market, so it's 3 minutes in to the official day, up $253. So I'm happy with that, but let's see what else I can find out there. All right, have an order at 29.75. Looking to buy this pullback here as my initial entry point. Step one, got to get down through 30. So let's see if that can happen or not. Where are we at time-wise? Already at 8 minutes. That's right. I feel good about that. I already have captured multiple trades. So let's see if we can capture the break of 30, but now it's bouncing up. So all right, I'm going to go ahead and pause. All right, looking for a break here at 30. It's coming into play again. Well, it was coming into play. I've moved that initial order down at 29.55. So let's see if we can capture a break of 30 on video. There's the break. Let's see a plunge down there. Almost there. Almost there. All right, well, I'm going to go 29.25 now. So let's see if we can get that or not. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Maybe should have stayed at 29.55, but there we go. There's a break. How low did it go? Low of 29.28. So within 3 cents. All right, well, let's go 29.05 now. And we'll see if it can pull back there or not, but this one seems to be toying with me right now. All right, I'm going to go ahead and wow, we're almost at 10 minutes. All right, I'm going to try to capture one more trade, so I'm going to get a little bit more stingy here with the time. And if it looks like I'm for sure going to get filled, I will get the video rolling again. All right, it is getting close. Didn't quite hit it. Hit it, went as low as 20. This 3 cent thing, 29.08, and I was at 29.05. Didn't get filled. All right, have an order at 28.51. I thought it might be getting closer down there, but now it's back up to 28.70. I'm going to go ahead and pause. Okay, I'm in. Excellent. Put that at 28.65, or if I can build some more, that would be fantastic. Let's go 27.85. If it wants to keep pulling back, get that order into place. So like I said, ideally I'd like more shares than what I have. But if it wants to give me a quick little score, then I'm not going to turn that away either. And it decided to just give me that. So if it wants to keep pulling back, I'll start the process over again at 27.85. We're at 11 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and pause, and then I'll come back if it looks like another entry point is going to happen. All right, I'm going to go ahead and wrap things up. It is slightly over 30 minutes in the day and up $323 for 30 minutes. I'll take that. And yeah, I'm happy with the video too. Caught everything on video, so that's always a plus. I suppose if I get filled at 27.75, then the video will continue. But as I wrap things up, if you enjoyed the video and you want me to keep making these, the easiest way to communicate that to me is really twofold. Subscribe to the channel, and then also click the like button for this video. And that is just a no-cost choice to you that, hey, yeah, Clay, I do like these. Please keep making them. If you're interested in trading alongside me and others, I do offer the private community. Maybe you thought, what are you talking about? You had to make an alert to the chat room. Well, this is the chat room I'm talking about. You can just go to claytrader.com. The Inner Circle is the name of it. Only $99 per year, not per month, not per quarter, per year. So very cost effective. And then finally, if you're interested in learning how to trade with technical charts, which is what I'm doing here, then again, you can just go to claytrader.com. I offer many online video courses on that. So thank you as always for watching. And again, if you want me to keep making these, click that like button, subscribe to the channel. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.